When contemplating the essence of your being, what's the first thing that arises in your consciousness? Is it your name? That, my dear viewer, is but the tip of the iceberg, for you are infinitely more than a mere label etched upon the fabric of existence. So who are you truly? The answer to this profound question often eludes most, and the silence, that quiet space between thoughts, holds the key to a deeper understanding. Allow me to guide you through a journey of self-discovery, one that transcends the boundaries of conventional identity. In the human psyche, we are apt to define ourselves through the realm of thoughts, beliefs, and the ceaseless trials life presents us. When asked to describe oneself, it's common to recount age, place of origin, or occupation, as if these external facets encapsulate the entirety of our being. Yet the truth remains that you are more than these transient attributes. You are not confined by a job title, and the hardships you've weathered do not define your innermost essence. These aspects may shift like the sands of time, but the core of your being remains resolute. In simpler terms, the quest to unearth your authentic self is underway. Think of moments laden with anxiety, those instances when the looming specter of an uncertain future casts its shadows upon your psyche. Anxiety, by its very nature, is the offspring of fretting about what lies ahead. Your mind, ever a prolific storyteller, weaves intricate narratives, ensnaring you in a web of trepidation, hindering the free expression of your true self. In these trying moments, a vital question surfaces: who is the observer of this anxiety? The answer, dear viewer, is you. You are the sentient witness to your own anxiety. You are not the anxiety itself. Life unfailingly confronts us with trials, adversities, and the pains of suffering. Whether it be the gnawing anxiety of an uncertain future, the labyrinthine wanderings of overthinking, or the perpetual weight of daily stresses, there dawns a profound realization that can transform your perception and navigation of these ordeals. This insight rests upon the recognition that the one who observes suffering is distinct from the one who endures it. In simpler terms, it's akin to having two facets within your being, one that grapples with adversity, while the other, an observer, comprehends the turmoil. This duality, this awareness, proves to be a potent tool, enabling you to disengage from the clutches of suffering and attain a higher, more objective vantage point. To elucidate, let's delve into the intricacies of overthinking. When you find yourself ensnared in the relentless cycle of incessant thoughts, pose a simple query: who is cognizant of this overthinking? This question serves as a pivot, redirecting your focus from the intricate labyrinth of thoughts to the role of a detached observer. It's akin to taking a step back, offering you a panoramic view of the bigger picture. Before we draw this narrative to a close, I implore you to forge a profound connection with your authentic self. This endeavor beckons you to realize that you transcend the confines of pain and suffering, and you are more than a mere mortal. At a deeper, more profound level, you are inextricably linked to something far grander, something that transcends the boundaries of mundane existence. This realization bears the potential to revolutionize your approach to life's multifaceted experiences. It's akin to uncovering a latent power within your being, a power that empowers you to shape your own reality, to rekindle the flames of pure love, peace, joy, and confidence even in the face of adversity. You now stand on the brink of reconnecting with your true self. Take a moment to acknowledge your awareness as you read these lines. There's no need to actively contemplate this awareness. It resides as a constant presence in the background of your consciousness. Even as thoughts ebb and flow, remember that you are also the observer of those thoughts. This signifies that you are not merely one entity becoming aware of another. At your core, you are the embodiment of awareness itself. This understanding draws you closer to your inner sanctum, endowing you with a profound comprehension of your true identity. You transcend the constraints of mere humanity. You are, in essence, a reflection of the cosmos itself. Now let us recenter our focus on the music that provides the backdrop to our lives. Instead of allowing judgments or incessant thoughts to engulf the experience, submerge yourself entirely in the act of listening. Once you have immersed yourself in the music's embrace, let's delve even deeper, become aware of your own awareness. This practice fosters a profound connection with the depths of your being, enabling you to perceive the present moment with heightened clarity. Shift your attention away from specific experiences, redirecting it toward your inner awareness. Understand that the complete realization cannot be achieved through thought alone. Release the notion that your thoughts can unveil this profound truth. You are not defined by your thoughts. The crux of the matter lies in becoming aware of something and redirecting your focus to the sensation of awareness itself. Savor the state of heightened awareness. If, in these moments, your thoughts threaten to overwhelm you, gently guide your focus back to the wellspring of awareness. This practice serves as the gateway to the deeper facets of your being. In times of suffering, a potent tool lies at your disposal: the question, who is aware of this event? Abstain from seeking answers within the labyrinth of your thoughts. Instead, submerge yourself wholly in the experience of awareness. This, my dear viewer, is your true essence, the core of your being. It is paramount to grasp that you are not defined by the narrative of your life, your past, or your missteps. At your core, you are pure consciousness, pure awareness. Every problem or challenge assumes significance solely because you are aware of it, yet it does not define your essential self. Your true nature remains untarnished by external circumstances, for you are the sentinel who observes all that unfolds in the grand tapestry of your life. Moreover, the practice of self-awareness does not lead to detachment or disconnection. Rather, it signifies a return to your innate state of pure love, peace, joy, and self-assuredness. By acknowledging your true self and embracing your role as the observer in the narrative of your life, you gain the ability to navigate life's tumultuous seas with increased equanimity and resilience. Taking a moment to be conscious of your thoughts and emotions can precipitate a profound transformation in your well-being. As you embark on this inner journey, you begin to realize that suffering and pain do not define your essence. This burgeoning awareness empowers you to cast off the shackles of self-limiting beliefs and transcend the barriers that have held you back. You extend beyond the confines of an ordinary individual. You are life itself, a testament to the present moment. Within you resides a remarkable inner strength, one that eludes precise description. This inner fortitude holds the potential to initiate profound changes in your life. You possess the power to effect change because your existing beliefs do not govern your core essence. Your life story is not etched in unyielding stone. You possess the pen to rewrite it. Those feelings of sadness and anxiety that occasionally engulf you do not define you. You hold the capacity to recognize them and to alter your responses. When you truly come to comprehend your inner self, you acquire greater adeptness in confronting life's tribulations. You realize that you possess the power to steer the course of your existence. This profound realization empowers you to assume command of your life, rekindling the fires of pure love, peace, joy, and self-assuredness. So when your mind becomes embroiled in turbulent seas, simply direct your focus toward your thoughts and awareness. If I were to pose the question to you now, who are you? How would you respond? This simple act of self-awareness has the potential to usher in significant positive transformations in your life. In parting, allow me to express my profound gratitude for accompanying me on this introspective odyssey. I trust that your time has not been in vain. Should you find solace in these words and the wisdom they contain, I entreat you to share them with your loved ones. Your experiences, your insights, can serve as guiding beacons for others navigating their own paths. I extend my warmest wishes for a day suffused with wonder and self-discovery.